Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2024 Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. Full spec information on the boat first. The boat's 13 foot 1 inch overall and has a beam or width of 5 foot 10 inches. Go over a few features on this boat that are optional. We have the synthetic teak on each side where the swim ladder is, and over on the starboard side as well. You also have the bimini top. You have the windshield here, which is an option. Underneath the console or underneath the windshield, you have great storage. You also have your fuel tank, 6.5 gallon under the seat, so it's out of the way. Battery over on the port side. Big open cockpit. There's a number of seating options people choose to do with this boat, the most popular being the hinged helm seats. Very versatile, nice application for this boat. As we go all the way forward, you have a large anchor locker here. Your bow light, of course, up here. Grab rails on each side. As you see, this boat is in the light blue gel coat with the chrome decals. Complements the stainless very well, as far as like the stainless steel rub rail with the white. Boat also includes the factory Boston Whaler trailer. Well, again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100. Check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.